Today, I will be exposing you to another legitimate side hustle that will blow your mind in 2023, and the best part of it is that you don't even have to leave your comfort zone to make a lot of money out of it. This may sound too good to be true, but trust me, it's not. The internet has created so many opportunities for us to make a lot of money while we relax at home, while having nice time with our family. And the thing I'm about to expose to you right now is one of the beautiful ways to make money online without having to leave your comfort zone. But before we get into the cocoa, I would like you to like this video if you have not done so, and if you've not subscribed to this channel, please do well by clicking the subscription button. This will encourage me to make more of this kind of video, because on this channel we create content on how to make money online and how also to be successful in your business. So without wasting much of our time, come on, let's dive in. The unique side hustle I'm introducing to you right now is affiliate marketing. Now, before you start picturing yourself carrying banner up and down to promote other people's business, you've got to take a pen and a paper and jot down every single thing I'm about to tell you right now, because I'm about to dish out to you about everything it entails. Affiliate marketing is simply a way in which you can promote other people's businesses, and by the end of the day, earning commission based on each sale you made through your unique referral link. So when you register with an affiliate program, they give you a particular link for a particular product and you promote it, and whenever anybody buy through that link, then you make a large sum of commission depending on your agreed commission. It's just like a modern day form of hawker, but this one you are not actually carrying things on your head. When you go to Computer Village or Lagos Island where they sell jewelries, you will notice that there are people out there who are actually asking you, what do you want to buy, what do you want to sell? Especially if you go to Balogun market where they sell clothes, you will see people telling you about different kind of clothes that are available. But if you look at those people, you will notice that most of them don't really have a shop in that place, but they are actually trying to refer you to a particular shop who will then pay them commission based on how much they have made. But in your own case, you are not begging people to sell, you are actually doing this online, and people will definitely come to buy whatever you are promoting, and by the end of the day, you made cool sale, you made cool cash, and you make cool commission. So how can you make at least 75,000 naira cool cash every week without doing anything but affiliate marketing? The answer is very simple. Find the right affiliate program, promote their service or product, and by the end of the day, earn your cool commission. There are many affiliate programs out there depending on what is your own passion. If you are passionate about physical products, I recommend you go for Amazon Associate or Jumia. If you are passionate about non-digital products like online products and co, then you can go for Expertnet, especially if you are in Nigeria. Lots of people are making millions on Expertnet. To register with Expertnet, you need to sign up with just 10,000 naira, and on that website we have different kind of courses that teaches people how to make money online, how to get Canada visa, how to be successful in this life. That's just everything about Expertnet. I'll be dropping the link right in the description below. And apart from Expertnet, you can also go for services. There are many companies out there who are actually willing for you to promote their service, and when you promote their service by recommending a client to them, you end up receiving huge commission. This is even one of the biggest way to make money, because most of the services are high ticket services. So once you sign up for a program, you have access to a wide variety of different products depending on your choice. Just ensure that whichever product you want to promote is actually working the way it is described, and it also has to do with the people you are targeting. Don't target people that are not interested in the kind of product you are promoting. Make sure you promote product to the right audience. Some of the best ways to promote your affiliate product is through your blog, social media, or YouTube channel if you have one. And mind you, who doesn't like to promote their product with friends and family and neighbors? Just give that a try and you are going to make a lot of money. Now let's discuss the fastest and easiest ways to make 75,000 naira and above within a week through affiliate marketing. Online Media has introduced a mouth-watering affiliate program in which you can earn a whopping 40% for each client you recommend to us. We offer different kind of services like website design, digital marketing, graphics design, video editing, just name it. So if you have anyone that need a website, you can actually earn a lot of money 40%. This means if you recommend someone that need a website that worth 100,000 naira, without leaving your room, you can actually earn 40,000 naira. This is how good it is. This is a huge opportunity because you can make a lot of money just by referring clients to our wide range of services. You want to step up your game in the affiliate marketing space? Then the best thing for you right now is to promote our services to as many people as you can. For instance, if you are able to convince like 3 people within a week to build a website, imagine if one of each of them build a website of 100,000 naira. That means you are earning 40,000 naira on each of them, and that's a whopping 120,000 naira within a week. Now imagine if you are able to convince as many people as you can, and each of them are building website every week, or each of them are shooting video every week, or each of them are promoting their business every week. Depending on what they go for, you can make as much as 500,000 naira every week, depending on your own ability to do so. So let's get started with that. To enroll for our affiliate program, our phone number is right down on the screen below, and I'll also be dropping that right in the description below. Don't be left behind. This is 2023. A lot of people are making a lot of money out there. You are happy, we are happy, our clients are happy, so we won't let you down. With the right affiliate program, the right product, and a bit of hard work, you are bound to make a lot of money and you are bound to success. If you have any further question concerning this topic, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section below. I will definitely be there to respond to your question. And if you are also thinking about other ways to make money online without having a starting capital or an investment, then the video that just popped up next to me right now will do justice to that. That is my 5 SAPA eradication formula. Make sure you watch it.